This is how you make a hyperlapse video. Step 1. Choose your subject. It is much better to choose a subject that is far away from you, and it also has to have a lot of things in the foreground for the motion blur to work. Step number 2, your focus area. Play with your camera and find the focus area that is a flexible spot or just focuses on a single spot, and make sure that this is the spot that you're always focused on. Step number 3, focus on your subject. I'm gonna be focusing on the KSC sign over there. Step number 4, take the pictures. As you're taking the pictures, take a step forward whilst you remain focused on the same thing. This will result in something like this for your first picture, and then something like this for your last picture. Step number 5, import your pictures. Now that you've taken your pictures, go home, import them into Lightroom and start editing them. You can edit these pictures using your own presets, or you can create your own style. Step number 6, bring all of these pictures into your video editing platform. Make a compound clip, increase the speed of the video, introduce some motion blur. Step number 7, select your music. I take all of my music from Envato Elements. They are not sponsoring this video, but if you'd like some really cool music that is royalty free, use the link in the description. I usually like to just take the video that I've made, copy it, and then reverse it so that it has this boomerang effect where I'm going towards the subject and I'm going back. These are all the steps that you need to make your hyperlapse video. In some cases you might need to introduce stabilization, but that all depends on how steady your pictures were and how you remained focused on your subject. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and watch my other videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have anything else that you'd like to learn, whether it's DaVinci Resolve or Lightroom. Thank you.